Okay. Shoot it. 200 meters. And I do know that it's going to go low. So we're going to have to aim high to compensate. This rifle shoots low. It's 200 meters. So... shoot high.
Awesome.
You really feel it coming down.
Yeah.
Well, let me just set it in for us because there's shots out there. Oh, there you go. Oh, man.
Made it where I'm at.
Which one are you shooting at?
Next to the white piece of paper, the colored one.
Good scope. Well, you hit it twice.
On the bottom?
Are you ready for me? Yeah, well, one is right in the center circle, and the other one is to the left. Did you shoot? Nope.
Nope, shaking.
Left and right's good. 2 to 3 inches high. I see it. You see it? Yeah.
I'll have to take video and see.
You're not up to the color anyway.
I can't see much. Not from here anyway. But I'm all zoomed in here and this too. So that's all I get out of the scope. But there and take a picture and see how. Did I get near the bowl or no?
It's inside that center ring.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then you got another that's low to the left. Now go where they went.
Okay. I figured it was going to shoot low.
You want me to try to shoot that?
Yeah.
Alright.
I can see the one low to the left. We'll see more when we get up there and take a picture, I guess. But
Gosh damn, that's a shot.
cool.
Yeah.
I'm going to go to the right next time.